Welcome to Schedule Anywhere. This video will show you how to set up an employee's skills, hours and wages, and custom fields. To add this information to an employee's profile, click the employee's name on the schedule, or go to Setup, Company Maintenance, Employees, and click the Find button to show a list of employees' names. Select the employee's name or enter it in the search box. Click the Skills tab to set up and assign skills. A skill can be anything this employee possesses that another employee does not. This can include certifications they've earned, training they've received, languages they speak, or equipment they can operate. Click the Edit Add Skill button to assign a skill to this employee. If you haven't created any skills yet, click the Add New Skill button. Use the drop-down list to select the type. The options are Skill, Certification, Training, Safety, and Other. Then give the skill a name. If you would like to create more skills, simply click the Add Skill button. When you're finished, click the Save and Exit button. Once skills have been created, you can assign them to the employees. Simply check which skills this employee has and click the Save button. You can give skills an effective date and an expiration date. If an expiration date is entered, a skill expiration notification will be sent to the employee's manager 90 days prior to the expiration date. When finished, click the Save button. Once you have assigned skills to your employees, you can use skills to get valuable information from your schedule. You can apply filters so you can see which employees with certain skills are working or available to work. You can use coverage watches to see how many employees with each skill are working, or apply highlighters to see employees with certain skills. Adding skills to employees is another great feature that makes Schedule Anywhere a leader in employee scheduling. Another tab in an employee's profile is the Hours and Wages tab. The information on this tab is optional, but used to determine if an employee exceeds his or her desired number of hours in a work week, calculate staff utilization, and to estimate labor costs. For example, if you have a part-time employee who can only work 25 hours a week, by going to Reports, Manager Reports, Total Hours, you can see how the employee's number of hours scheduled compares to the desired number of hours per week. If you have over or underscheduled an employee, you can use this report to help you make adjustments to the schedule. With Schedule Anywhere, you can also estimate labor costs. Just enter how much an employee costs per hour or per day. There's a report that will show you how much it will cost to pay your employees based upon the hours they're scheduled. This is found under Reports, Manager Reports, Estimated Cost. With this report, you can enter thresholds for calculating overtime and when to calculate overtime. For example, if the period is set for 7 days and the threshold is set to 40 hours, the employee would earn time and a half for any hours over 40 in a 7-day period. The second to last tab in the employee profile is the Custom Fields tab. It's used to track any additional information about your employees. Some examples include birth date, driver's license number, uniform size, laptop number, etc. To change the name of a custom field, just click the name, rename it, and click the Save button. When you change a custom field title, it will change for all employees in your account. When you're finished, click the Save button. If you want to see an employee's profile report, go to Reports, Manager Reports, Staff Profiles. Select the employees and information you would like to see and click the Print button. Thank you for your interest in Schedule Anywhere, the leading employee scheduling app. For more information, please go to scheduleanywhere.com or call 1-800-874-8801.